小朋友们，今天我们来学习第1课的8页内容。Let's learn， 让我们学吧。Look, this is the new classroom. 看，这是新教室。The door is orange. 门是橙色的。This is. Teacher's desk, 讲台。Computer, 电脑。Fan, 风扇。Wall, 墙。Floor, 地板。Color and say, color, 名词，颜色。动词，上色，涂颜色。Color and say， 涂颜色，说一说。这里边它是一个动词。教室里边这些陈列的物品，哪些是你会说的呢？ Computer, door, fan, window, desk, chair, teacher's desk,Blackboard, light， 你都可以来说一说，然后涂一涂。那我们看一下原文。This is my classroom. This is my classroom. 这是我的教室。The door is yellow. The door is yellow. 门是黄色的。The desks are green.The desks are green. 桌子是绿色的。I like my classroom. I like my classroom. 我喜欢我的教室。好，跟老师一起来读一遍。Look, this is a new classroom. The door is orange. Teacher's desk. Computer. Fan.Wall, floor. Color and say. This is my classroom. The door is yellow. The desks are green. I like my classroom. 跟着老师一起来练习吧。喜欢点个爱心，加个关注吧。